think what we'll see in the next few years is not those big disruptions you're talking about. I think we'll sort of see in the next few years is AI systems going from being very useful tools to actually taking on more of a load in terms of doing really economically valuable work. And I think it'll be quite uneven. It'll happen in certain domains faster than others. So, for example, in software engineering, I think in the next few years, the fraction of software being written by AIs is going to go up. And so in a few years, where prior you needed 100 software engineers, maybe you need 20. And those 20 use advanced AI tools. Over a few years, we'll see AI going from kind of just a sort of a useful tool to doing really meaningful, productive work and increasing the productivity of people that work in those areas. It'll also create some disruption in the labor market in certain areas. And then as that happens, I think a lot of the discussion around AI is going to shift and become a lot more serious. And so it's going to shift from being just sort of like, oh, this is really cool. You can ask it to plan your holiday and help you with your, children's, if they're stuck in something and they don't understand their homework or whatever, things like this, through to something that's like, okay, this is not some nice new tool. This is actually something which is going to structurally change the economy and society and all kinds of things. And we need to think about how do we structure this new world?